Miss Kitty Live, Busy Signal, and we're here. And of course, you know, once he's here, it is in overdrive, darling. Busy Signal. I gotta tell you, 10 years, a decade, and of course, a track record, and of course, a very impressive catalog, I might add. And of course, it just keeps getting better. He was released last year on November 16, and I gotta tell you, he is not even out for a year yet. And I gotta tell you, he is making use of the freedom that has been restored. And of course, he continues to make chart-topping hits. And I gotta tell you, even Rihanna has caught on to the Busy Signal fever. Busy, talk to me please about, Rihanna on YouTube singing your song.
Yo, Jado, I was getting here going now.
The world see Busy, man. Somebody.
The world, I've never seen
23 million views, and them something Busy. Like, God no, like really, why, really? 23 million views, and might I add, there is no big label or crossover overseas, nobody backing Busy. No. This is all your natural raw talent that you're doing with your team from Jamaica.
Sometimes me overwhelmed and I feel scared.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't even know how to act in terms of the blessings that are coming, and sometimes I just in one corner just stay someone and say, Busy, mother, what? I say, no, I'm good.
Yeah.
I said, my youth, 20 million views, you know how much people dream to have 1 million views.
True.
I said, I just don't know how to do this. See, I'm in Paris with you.
Yeah.
And then some short man said, yo, Busy, go on YouTube and type in Rihanna singing Come Over.
Yes.
I said, what I say? Him said, go on YouTube now and type in Rihanna singing Come Over.
Yes.
Video. And she sing the song.
Yes.
He said, what? Somebody goes, type in. And then they are waiting. You know the thing when I look around?
Yeah, the timer, gum down, yeah.
Till me see everything for myself.
Yeah.
So she post it up and everything. Like 15 seconds is probably post off her Instagram something. So the 15 seconds there when she has sing the song. Miss Kitty, me just like up in my hotel room and just there.
Wow. Wow.
Guys, I don't know Rihanna.
Yeah.
I never.
But she knows Busy Signal.
I look at that.
Yeah.
And she's an international artist with a big record company behind her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? She is a part of CARICOM, yeah. She's one of us. She is a part of Caribbean.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, I don't know her personally.
Yeah.
I've never met her. I've never spoken to her.
And thinking about just, Rihanna, of course, endorsing or, singing a Busy Signal song. Obviously, you have made an impact on her as you have been doing all across the world. Is there any artist like, who you'd want to collaborate with or do a combination with?
Definitely, yeah. I would do a combination with her right now. I would do a combination with Celine Dion.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Celine, Busy and Celine.
Look, I'm different. I would do a combination with Enya.
Yeah.
See?
I like Enya.
Me preach some different things, Kitty, because we can't just have reggae in our reggae box.
Yes.
Or have dancehall in our dancehall box. See, nothing is wrong with fusing.
Yes.
See, so we make it go further in terms of the exposure we would get from it. If we do a collab with certain artists.
Because it's opening their market to you as well, and their fans and their audience.
Their fans are opening to me. It was just like what they are with me. When I met a person, no doubt them lead single for them album was the song with me and no doubt. Gwen Stefani and the whole band. Seeing Push and Shove. And I mean that opened a different set of listeners.
Yes.
For tuning, well, who is this guy? Who is
this?
Busy
Signal, yeah.
Because Gwen Stefani, she does represent and she represents so she loved the thing.
Yes.
So it's like because a woman is just a fusing which part I'm always willing to fuse, always willing to do collabs, if it's worth it. We just want to do it so we can get it out there on a broader scale.
Yes.
More exposure from our culture here in Jamaica. Jamaican culture, dancehall, reggae. You know what I mean? And there's so much talent here.
Yes.
But sometimes we can't just box it up and put it in like a folk coop.
True.
We have to make the thing, give the thing wings.
Yes, to flourish.
Yeah, man.
And grow.
Go like a flourish. You never know.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people is looking into Jamaicans and the talents what we have here.
Well, you tour Europe a lot, Busy. What is the feeling, or when you go to Europe, you know what I mean? Talk to me about Busy Signal in Europe. I mean, a lot of people say, boy, Busy is hardly here, hardly in Jamaica. Talk to me about some of the places that you've been to in Europe, and what is the reception you get when you go to Europe. So talk to me about the stadiums, or the Colosseums that that you pack, and the festivals that you're on.
It's just so, like we did on the show, my first, it was Summer Jam. Seeing Snoop Dogg up on the side of the stage with the most wide open. So.
Yeah.
Like him in a trance.
Yes.
Busy Signal at work. Seeing, I have my 90-minute set for the one. It's like everybody was just in awe but they didn't look.
Yes.
All these shows I'm on this year over Europe, I was booked on most of them last year, but
yes.
the situation I wasn't here.
Right.
All of them money they have to send back.
Yes.
All of them something they have to cancel. And then now God put me as physically if they have to represent. So it's like the reception was just overwhelming. The people are some of my people them are faint, some of them don't know how to do themselves, some of them, you know, people enjoy themselves different ways in terms of, you know, white people different.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, we have a full vibe and white people have them vibe. We are all one people at the end of the day. But them have a different vibe.
Yes.
If all them vibe to an artist or vibe to the, whatever them
and
feel.
show them love.
They want them in the dirt around with them clothes and everything. Some of them in the rain. They have a show which part, the state did cancel a show I will check Czechoslovakia or something. When I check one of them places which part we have I think what is show name? Them cancel a big show though.
Yes.
I'm supposed to go represent them because a storm was coming. So them cancel the show, you know, in terms of them cannot insure all of that. Because the people them there and it was a big venue and well over thousands of people and them have to cancel it because them said, boy, if the storm come,
problem.
It's gonna be Zazados and people are going. So it's like them cancel the show. People in there now left Miss Kitty.
Stand up because they want to busy.
Some of them stand up and them are sing the watch out for this. Alright, as we speak right now, watch out for this are the biggest song. Now in Europe.
Right now. Oh, watch out for this is the biggest song right now.
I mean, Miss Kitty, no hide nowadays again.
Yes, everything is right there at your fingertips.
When some artists will come tell you, yo, John, we just come on for tour, the whole out, they shell out, it mash. They say, hey, come on tour.
Yeah.
And them say, until them say whatever place them I say. By the time you go so.
Yeah, type it in.
Then I'm going to see you now when I'm done with.
Yeah.
Say, no, even if professional cameras no video the show.
People video up their phones.
2 phone put up.
Yeah.
Or something at least.
Yeah.
And just dash it up on the net. Because everything is at your fingertip.
Yeah.
We buy another. Them have smart net, smartphone, smart car, smart.
And I have smart people.
Yes, no dance again. No dance again, Miss Kitty.
Busy, you know, just hearing your fans, you know, how does it, I mean, to see the impact that you have on people's lives, what does that mean to you?
It means there's no room for mess-ups. There's no room for mistakes anymore. There's no room for, you know, past trying level to a professional level right now. We want to keep it on a level which part. Because no matter what you do more time, you have different types of role models.
Yes.
See, but me just want to be one of them what I can stand up behind whatever I say in any song.
Yes.
Or whatever I say in any interview.
Yes.
Me want to be able to have that muscle there behind it as well. I know something can represent and back what I say.
Yes.
See, because people look up to it.
Yes.
See, so I want to know, say, yeah, and them keep me going. And the fans give me that drive there.
Yes.
See, so I just want to have that something there. And I can know, say, all right, we sing this, we sing that. As I said earlier, we do reggae, we do dancehall, we do ska.
Yes.
We do like a rap mix, we do like R&B.
Yes.
I'm not scared to try stuff.
Yes.
And I'm not scared to show my versatility. I'm not scared to go to the extreme in music.
Lovely.
So it's like we do all that, and the fans, them keep me.
You know, Arthur Guinness concert, Busy. You shelled it down, locked it down. When you go on stage, Busy, you know, you say you plan your show. You know, when you go, what's the vibe that? All right, normally before I go on stage, I pray before I go on stage. Believe it or not, I'm very scared, okay? Nervous, bad. Sometimes I have to say, Tango, how so much people come from? Jesus, whoa, murder, whoa, Lord, nervous, wreck.
Yeah.
But then when I hold the mic and I step on stage, it's like I'm there.
Yeah.
What is your frame of mind before you go on stage? And when you get there, is there a ritual that you do before you get on stage?
I always give thanks, as I said. You know, that's why I say certain things in Jamaica. I know from the other days you have some people are pushing some different like league and stuff, but we all in Jamaica born and grew and know say you have respect and reverence to the Most High.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is not no devil and demon business. This is just respect to the Most High. We have it.
Now, Busy, you know what? We've been having a great conversation. You know, Miss Kitty don't do that interview somebody. Cool, we have a conversation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, your fans want to know when they can book you and which shows they can see you on for the balance of 2013.
You know the balance of 2013 with the I think the Eras weekend with the hedonism. All inclusive Busy Signal concert live with the band.
Wow.
You know what I mean? You know, we have as well.
Are you booked for Sting?
No.
Okay.
No, I think some pending stuff. What about different pending stuff?
Yes.
But here I go on now. The same thing is Turf Music Entertainment. You see? That is Turf Music ENT1 at Gmail. See? Or,
that's what people want to book you?
Yeah, man. The
okay.
Turf Music ENT1 at Gmail. Numbers to call is 872-8997.
Okay.
See? Yeah, man. The number there is straight in if you want to be booking at them something there. And you get the real busy signal because what if I scam out there. See? So you have a thing called, the Facebook is www.facebook.com/ONE busy signal.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So one
Twitter,
busy signal. And on Twitter?
Signal. Twitter, busy signal _turf. Yeah? Yeah, man. And the email at the Turf Music ENT1, as we said, the number one.
Yeah.
Turf Music ENT1 at gmail.com.
Fresh, live, and in overdrive. Miss Kitty live. It is Nationwide 90.
Live.
And of course it is
Overdrive.
Busy
We started so. Fresh from prison, oh me there. I tell John, who me give thanks, me have to chant a word of prayer. Fresh from jail, no me there. Yeah, ready for mash up road because me have to make the cheddar. Dallas in the street, man a player. Yeah, Turf president, the girl know me or no me. No violate the dogs, man a slayer. Hey, watch how you run your mouth, cause man we alright then. No more half a toothbrush, nor chink. No cardboard to bed, no prison food, nor drink. Me no like no carb, lick bad man, no take no water, lick more time, me hold a meds, look on the wall, take pencil drop on it. Palm my black, no dolphin, nor no shark on it. You must see what me skitty get. Ignorant and dark on it. I take like a overeat radiator and I want carb on it, them can't stand it. Don't step out of line. I take, yeah. Caliente que picante, a mi se ti caliente que picante, gal mi se te calf, tika picante, hey mi se ti caliente que pic. Alright then so, one thing me know, me not swing me low, but she will run, and she a wine and me say tell her say stop it nice, na me yes. Me know she hear what the thing loose in the door, left it black and blue like indigo. That girl a brave here, cause she still take me blackberry pin and no stop. Hey, why is me for DJ? Level it there, Juju Royal. Level it there now.
Busy signal live dub session nationwide.
I born as a bedroom bully for the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Real top gallus man a bedroom bully. Hey, top gallus man a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl bikini. Me say I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl. Hey, wine and cock up, girl wine and cock up. Inna the dance hall, girl wine and cock up. Brace pan that thing, cause your bone no crack up. Foot right there, so lift it up and cock. Waistline tell time when you tick and tack up. Style you no shout, a girl enough you have up. Love how you sexy around and fat up. Miss Kitty inna me place and the whole place mash. Cause I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl bikini.
Make some noise, a busy signal live down session in the studio. And I gotta tell you, absolutely amazing. Busy, it was definitely a pleasure having you here with me.
And DJ, watch out for this.
You want DJ, watch out for this. Find it, Juju Royal, so we can do it. Because I gotta tell you, Yo Play is in the building. Shireen Anderson is here. And of course, you know, live dub session, courtesy of Busy Signal. You ready? I'm ready. Ready. Nationwide 90 FM.
Live.
Linkup Radio. 90s.
Attend. Hey. Say we in ya. Shireen and listen in ya. Live in a overdrive, Miss Kitty, me say we in ya. Nationwide, me go tell them straight, busy signal in ya. Attend. Pull up. Pull up, sound a bounce and the place a full up. Sexy girl and we can't get enough. Girl a good on point, that we love. Murder when me stop in at the club. Selector turn it up in at the sub. Music a bounce and lyrics span the tons and the eye. Send from above so we tell them peace. Ate, and me say watch out for this. Then me tell them fi watch out for this. And then me tell them fi watch out for this. Miss Kitty, guess what? We got the hardest, yes, we got the hardest. We got the hardest, yes, we got the hardest. A real general, the rest of them are nervous. Up in the place, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Till he buck up at the forest. Yeah, me and my friend, them a girl is graphics. Girl knows so we are the smartest. Up in the place and the grades up. You know you know feel. Yeah, and me go tell them watch out for this. And them that's lyrics. Mash up the place, put you on up for this. Yo, me now miss #1 panelist. Tell them straight, I see them like this. And watch out for this. And them that's lyrics. Mash up the place, put you on up for this. Miss Kitty now miss, Sharina miss, and nationwide miss. I tell them this.
Live dub session in the building, Busy Signal. Thank you, baby. Love you lots. All the best. You're the baddest. Love you like that. I gotta say, big ups, of course, the Turf Entertainment and, of course, the entire team. Thank you so very much, Busy.